YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Crown Rally. So today is the day we are leaving. We are loaded up. We do have to make a couple changes to the trailer setup. We had a nasty sway last night at like 66 to 68 miles an hour. So we got to get that taken care of. I think what we need to do is bring the old sheep up about 2 feet. That's the first thing we're going to try. If that doesn't fix it, then we got major issues and we got to reload both feet. Alright, Bud's got his fancy Nancy.
So you're 1,400 pounds.
Which we decided this was about 14,000.
10% tongue weight.
So, like spot on. So moving the Jeep up helped.
A lot. Because I'll bet you were super light.
Disc. Check this freaking trailer. Dude, we should live in here. Dang! Wait, is this the inaugural 715 sticker? Dang!
Thanks, guys.
Welcome to the team.
Appreciate it, buddy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Are there people there? Oh, let's keep around.
Motor almost blows. That would suck. Are we able to accelerate?
No.
No.
Oh boy. We should just slow down. We got engine power reduced at 900 miles in. So it's been a crazy one, but we have made it to our parking place. Truck is in limp mode. We got some issues here. But
Still does it.
Still does it.
Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Set it through a transmission.
Recap. 930 miles we put on yesterday. Everything went perfect, and then the car runs good still. And then we got 30 miles from our destination, and we had a little miscalculation of where we were going. So there's a little bit of stress there, which was all good. And then my truck went into a limp mode because of the diesel particulate filter plug sensor something, and we're out in a 75 mile an hour zone in the middle of nowhere coming into Colorado in higher elevation, and with this, like how the heat is or something, they said we're at equivalent to 10,000 feet of elevation. And then we finally make it to our destination today, and then we pull Grady's car out, and it has a service engine malfunction and transmission malfunction, and it will not move off the trailer. That's it so far.
I forgot to hit record.
You did not. So now we're on the way to the dealership to either get my truck fixed or buy a new one. Our air conditioner went out in our rental townhome, and that is getting put in as we speak, and I'm not going to have the money to pay him. And then Grady's car, we had to unhook his steering wheel, take his dash apart, and we had to disconnect his steering wheel so we could reset his car, and we cleared all the codes, and so far it is good, and it is 108 degrees.
Yes, very hot, very, very hot.
Like my wife. So we are here at a dealership waiting for my truck to roll in. We are. You smell my race gas?
I do.
Oh, we have made it. We got oil hot light on. Got Grady's car's the hood open. But we are here. Where are we? Shut the front. So, how was it, babe?
Hot.
So hot. It has not gone under 105 degrees on my thing. So this is misery, but it's all good. It's literally the loudest thing I've ever heard in my life.
For the rally, we'll start in the top 5 positions for the rally.
Come up, Brian. Get
And
up
so
there.
in 5th place, we have a new person to this top 5, which is exciting. It's Tony Yost around here. We have Team RCFU. And coming in first, you probably guessed it, we have Team 715. Are the roadies around? How'd you get here, guys? First trophy of the weekend.
Thank you.
That's exciting. Really, you gotta go.
Who wants it for $1,000? Not the trophy, the first spot.
Mr. Ball, to clarify, that was another $1,000 for charity.
Yeah.
Heavy again. That's what we're working on right now.
It's rally time. All right, day one starts, well, officially starts right now. All right, we got our first card. Woohoo!
What up, guys? Have fun out there.
Thank you.
I wonder who was leading.
It was Brad.
But I bet he got passed. Robin's racing.
I knew that was a little too good to be true, but we haven't seen many.
Let's see. Do they keep driving? Hopefully.
Oh yeah, the cop is still going.
What is that cop doing? Oh, my oil light's on.
Hey, we can go around the other way and we'll be all good. We can go around.
I don't think is he going to try to stop all of us?
I don't know.
We're way behind.
Yeah, he's not gonna get, what's he gonna get on? He was on, I went over. He popped over the hill, so. We're having a driver's meeting. All drivers report to the cop car.
All right. Driver's meeting. All right.
Alright guys, let's wait until we get a few more of everybody around here just so I don't have to yell and scream at everybody 100 different times.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, I am Trooper Brown, I'm with the Colorado State Patrol. You guys, this group that I'm with right now is about our 6th call for aggressive driving, making bad passes, high speeds, starting from Colorado Springs area headed this way. From what I understand, you guys are all going towards Avon, is that correct?
Yes, right.
All right. So, I'm not citing anybody. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give a generalized warning. We're not going to tolerate high speeds, bad passes. If we catch you individually, specifically, we'll stop as best we can. We will be writing tickets.
Yep. Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Please, this weekend, not a great time for high speeds. We see head-on crashes, especially on these roads out here on a regular basis, and I can guarantee a head-on crash at 106 is not going to end well.
It's going to end fast.
We don't want it.
We appreciate you, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
I'm asking you, I'm begging you, please,
Yes, sir. We can do that. Yes, sir.
Slow down.
Yes, sir.
For me, I don't want to have to go to another fatal crash this week.
No.
All right?
Yes, sir. We'll get on the radio
Please
to
do.
let everybody know.
Please do.
Yes,
We've
sir.
got troopers all over this area. We know you. We heard you guys were coming. I was here. I had, like I said, you're my 6th report. Please slow down. Please drive respectfully.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can appreciate going fast. That's why I have the job that I do. I get paid to carry a gun and drive a fast car, right? Mine's not as fast as your guys's, but you can't outrun Motorola.
Can we try it out?
You can, I'm not. That was him.
Yes, we can. We can try it out down at Bandon.
Thank you, bro.
So,
You know, you're the first cop I've ever met that lost a drag race and wasn't used to
so, guys, please slow down for me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you all for stopping. Thank you all for being very respectful to me standing out there on the side of the highway. Please slow down.
Yes, sir.
I did measure somebody at 106. Who it was, I'll never know because there are so many of you.
Frank.
No, I wasn't actually.
Why are you going so slow? What happened?
We were just following a Jeep and the Jeep is only a Jeep. I could do 106?
Hey, some of those Jeeps are friggin' quick.
I didn't know my car would go that slow.
Fair enough.
Thank you.
Guys, thank you again.
Thank you, officer. Come by my car, I have some.
Absolutely, I can.
Hey, you be safe.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Like, how many heavies do you have in that thing?
It was so open, I'm just like,
It's like 7:30.
Pardon me, guys. I got a car coming.
Oh, let's get go eat. I'm sorry.
I don't know, to be honest.
We'll go use the bathroom. 186.
Oh, so you had a lot left.
It was
No, we were, I mean, I looked down at 160 and then I said,
Really?
Well, hey, we can the cords on the dash.
I think, I
if
don't
you beat
know.
my record in the Jeep's 157.
Leadville.
Leadville.
Highest non-military.
Leadville, Colorado, you're at 10,150 feet, sir.
And one.
And may I say this, if I owned that vehicle and you had a feather up your ass, we'd both be tickled.
Nailed it.
Yes.
What's your name?
Yes.
Yeah.
My name is David Smith.
David Smith.
They call me Smitty.
Smitty. All right.
Where are you? Why are you right here?
I live here.
But why are you right here? Where are you
I
having a
was
beer?
across the street having a beer, came out for one of my bad habits, and I saw
What are some other bad habits?
beautiful vehicles.
God, there's been so many good ones.
I think tied for first. Am I still tied for first?
You're just still tight for first. What do you think?
It's absolutely beautiful. With the kids.
Oh, and they all fit.
Yeah, give them the thumbs up. Give them the thumbs up.
Babe. What? All right, so today has been interesting. It's been filled with a lot of very hot driving, elevation changes. Your body does super weird things in the elevation, and now we are skipping the whole chunk of it and going right to the hotel. And we've met super cool people. Super.
Pickles.
Oh, hey. All right, guys, day one is in the books. The last ending here, the burnout across the bridge, definitely absolutely epic. We're gonna go get showered, cleaned up, and re-freaking-laxed. The entire Team 715 made it in, no issues. A couple pullovers, but no tickets, no issues.